Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and I'm down in another encapsulated crawl space that was done by a different company who is no longer in business. I'm going to walk you guys through all the different things that I find and how we're going to correct this encapsulation. We're going to do that right after this. Alright, so the very first thing I want to show you is that the relative humidity down here is 90%. See that? 90%. That is really, really bad. The overall encapsulation at first glance doesn't look too bad, but you see that there's water coming in. Alright, it's coming along the footer. There's no drainage system put in here whatsoever. You see that there's water puddling up over there as well. There's spray foam on the wall. Now the spray foam is, as usual, just pretty sloppy in my opinion, but there's no gap at the termite shield. Right, so there needs to be an inspection gap, about 3 inches or so, right about here. Right, so there's none of that. The foam is not consistently as thick. It's thicker in other areas, lacking in different areas. That is never good. There's no drain or any way to stop the water from overflowing there, so that had just gotten dug out because the water was overflowing and coming into the crawl space through the door as well. You can see that there is some mold growth all over the bottom of these floor joists. That's due to the high humidity. You see how the overall just not that great of a job. I'm going to crawl over to this other end and I'll pick up back here in a second.